Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact countertop ice makers, the DUMOS and the Sweetcrispy. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and portability, making them ideal for home use, camping, and parties. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and unique features to see which one stands out as the better choice for your needs. Both the DUMOS and Sweetcrispy ice makers excel in ice production speed, delivering 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid output ensures you have a steady supply of ice for your beverages. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening at home, their efficiency makes them standout choices in the compact ice maker category. Both ice makers are designed with portability in mind. Weighing in at just 15.4 pounds, they are easy to transport, making them perfect for RVs, camping trips, or moving around your home. The integrated carry handle adds to their convenience, allowing you to take your ice maker wherever you go without hassle. When it comes to design, the DUMOS Ice Maker features a vibrant green color that adds a pop of personality to your kitchen, while the Sweetcrispy offers a sleek black finish that complements modern aesthetics. Both designs are compact and user-friendly, with transparent windows that allow you to monitor the ice production process. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and Sweetcrispy ice makers provide excellent performance, portability, and stylish designs. Your choice ultimately comes down to personal preference in color and brand. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.